What if your slow metabolism is the real reason fat won't budge, no matter how hard you try? Today, I'm reviewing Mitolyn, a natural supplement that claims to boost metabolism, burn fat, and restore energy. But does it actually work? Let's break it down. If you're tired all the time, if stubborn fat refuses to go away, and if weight loss feels harder every year, you're not alone. Most people aren't lazy. Their metabolism is struggling, and that's exactly what Mitolyn targets. Mitolyn is a natural metabolic support formula designed to help your body burn fat more efficiently while increasing daily energy, without extreme diets or exhausting workouts. It focuses on improving how your body converts food into energy instead of storing it as fat. So, here's what makes Mitolyn different. It supports mitochondrial health, the tiny power generators inside your cells. And when they work better, your metabolism speeds up naturally. That means more fat burned throughout the day, more stable energy levels, fewer afternoon crashes, and, honestly, just better overall well-being. People using Mitolyn often report a faster metabolism, steady fat loss, increased natural energy, and, honestly, just a better mood and focus. Oh, and there are no jitters or harsh stimulants involved, which is a huge relief for a lot of folks. It's gentle, plant-based, and designed for long-term results, not quick, unhealthy fixes. Mitolyn is made with natural ingredients, produced in a certified facility, and doesn't rely on dangerous stimulants. Of course, consistency is key. This isn't a magic pill, but it supports your body to do what it's meant to do. If your metabolism feels stuck, Mitolyn can be a powerful tool. It's especially helpful for people over 30 who notice slower fat loss and lower energy than before. But remember, results improve when combined with basic movement and smarter food choices. If you want to boost metabolism naturally, burn fat more efficiently, and feel energized again, Mitolyn is worth trying. Check the official website link below to avoid fake copies and see current discounts. Thanks for watching. If this helped, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review.